Hello guys, welcome back to a Monday late afternoon update at 8 p.m. It will be a long video, guys, I think. So, we are here due to a tornado outbreak that's gonna happen in the central US states and the Ohio River Valley. If you didn't see my YouTube short yet, you should check that out right now under my channel. We're gonna have to see if that severe weather threat continues all the way to the east and the I-95 corridor. But my goodness, man. We could be looking at some long track tornadoes, very large hair, 2 to 3 inch diameter or greater hailstones, damaging gusts 60 to 80 miles an hour, and potentially up to EF2 tornadoes or stronger. And we're going to get right into the mesoscale discussions. Severe threat will continue across the tornado watch. A large hail, very, very large hail. But I do want to show you the day one convective outlook. Holy shit. I mean, it is really bad out there. So we got a marginal risk for Columbus, Ohio, Wichita, Kansas, Shreveport, Illinois, Louisiana, Richmond, Virginia, Amarillo, Texas. And then we got a huge slight risk for San Antonio, Texas, Indianapolis, Austin, Lexington, Little Rock, Arkansas. And then an enhanced risk for 21 million people, Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Kansas City, Arlington, Texas, St. Louis, Missouri. And then we got a moderate risk, guys. I'm sorry if I cry, but I'm praying for those people. I'm really praying for those people. But we got a moderate risk for Oklahoma City, Tulsa, Norman, Wichita Falls, Texas, Lawton, Oklahoma, for 3 million people impacted by a moderate risk. People are going to be losing their lives and homes today in the central U.S., so we're going to be praying. So it's not too bad, but we're expecting a severe weather outbreak and a tornado outbreak in those areas. So, oh my god, it's really bad there, but it's gonna be a long day for them. But anyways, severe thunderstorms with very large hail, 2 to 3 inch diameter or greater, will damage homes, damaging wind gusts to up to 80 miles an hour, almost hurricane force winds, and a few strong tornadoes, likely up to EF2 for North Texas and Oklahoma into the lower Ohio River Valley. We got all hazards severe risk from the southern plains into Ohio Valley. We got a roaring jet of 90 to 100 knot winds, 500 millibars. This will produce such intense rotation across these warned areas. And we got scattered thunderstorm development, which will favor very large hail, 2 to 3 inches in diameter, and a few strong tornadoes tonight. And it will grow into a cluster line segment with an increase in the threat of damaging winds, 80 miles an hour, and a continued threat for tornadoes, possibly up to EF2. And then for Oklahoma and Texas, we got very large hail also, but even larger, 3+ inches in diameter. We got damaging hail. It will destroy vehicles, destroy houses. Not as much tornadoes expected in that area, but still significant, very significant, guys. I'm just praying for those people. And that's the discussion for today. Just a really, really emotional severe weather outbreak out there. And day two, this still continues. We have a moderate risk issued for Columbus, Ohio, Cincinnati, Dayton, Canton, Ohio, Springfield, Ohio. Yeah, this is really bad. For 7 million people. Oh boy. and a huge enhanced risk for 16 million people. Nashville, Tennessee, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Louisville, Kentucky, Akron, Ohio, Indianapolis. Oh my goodness. But same deal. We're gonna be dealing with more tornadoes tomorrow. And we are going to be dealing with more of these strong tornadoes more than anything, including a few significant long track tornadoes is evident for Tuesday afternoon and evening, with highest probability centered over the Ohio vicinity. And we got really bad news for them. We're going to be including very large hail, strong damaging winds, and several significant tornadoes. We could be talking EF3s, EF4s. Oh my goodness, this could really be bad. People might lose their lives also tomorrow. If people don't take cover now and prepare, we might be seeing some big time injuries tomorrow. So really be careful. And it will include for a lot of tornadoes tomorrow mostly. I mean, we look at the tornado risk. It's a 15% chance with a significant severe for Columbus, Ohio, Nashville, Tennessee, Cincinnati, Louisville, Lexington, Fayette, Columbus, Ohio, Dayton, Canton, Springfield, Nashville, Pittsburgh, Louisville, Akron. Yeah, we really got a big tornado risk. It's really big. And the wind risk is a 30% hatched for Columbus, Ohio, Nashville, Cincinnati, same areas, 30% hatched. And we got a hatched hail risk with destructive hail expected, 3+ in some areas. Oh my goodness. This is really catastrophic for these areas. And day 3, guys, we're not out of the woods. We have 32 million people impacted by severe weather on Wednesday, including Philadelphia, Baltimore, Maryland, Washington, D.C., Virginia Beach, Raleigh, North Carolina. So we could be in track for these severe thunderstorms this Wednesday. Yes, in the morning. So really be careful, guys. I'll be updating you if the SPC upgrades it to a slight risk or even enhanced risk. Pray to God they don't. But I will keep you guys updated with that. But we still have a chance for some marginally severe storms for the mid-Atlantic. Not as bad. We could be looking at a wind damage threat, mostly. Maybe even an isolated tornado for parts of the area. So definitely a very strong trough. We really got to watch if there's a severe threat on Wednesday. I think people may be taking it a little too lightly because it's so populated here. But we really got to watch this. And it's really concerning, guys. I can't emphasize it enough. It is so concerning out there. I don't know. So, let's look at the timing for the more important HRR model. We're going to look at the precipitation type. Actually, no. Let's look at the NAM model. Right here. Okay. No, the GFS. No, the GFS. Okay, so, anyways, we zoom in here. Deadly severe storms expected for the Tornado Alley region, Oklahoma, Missouri, Illinois, all the way up to the Ohio Valley, and this will still continue until tomorrow. You got very strong storms expected. This is just an area of heavy rain, but the strong storms are out to the west of that. And we see these severe storms start to develop right around 1 p.m. for Ohio Valley. Look at this. We already got some lines of storms forming in Illinois and Missouri and Kansas and even down to Kentucky. We got a heavy rain band for the mid-Atlantic all the way into New Jersey. It's going to be a rainy day. And then once we get later, we get a full-fledged squall line right here, stretching all the way down to Mississippi and Louisiana And we got some big time storms for everyone up in the north. We got tornadoes possible. And we go even further. Oh my goodness, man. This squall line becomes tornadic. It really favors tornadoes tomorrow. Supercellular thunderstorms. Every single threat is forecasted for that area. Very strong low pressure. And we get even further out. Oh my goodness, man. This threat starts to become really close to our area. We are going to have to watch the East Coast Wednesday. We might be seeing some severe thunderstorms possible. Look at this. It might even continue into the Mid-Atlantic and New Jersey. I should be watching this more carefully because it's really concerning. I think the greatest threat will be in the morning on Wednesday. In the afternoon, I think it'll start to stabilize a bit. But, let's see. We get into, that's 3 p.m. No. Yeah, that's 3 p.m. on Wednesday. We got a strong squall line just to our west. And holy crap, these still could have some big time severe weather with it. And, I mean, if it survives all the way to New Jersey, that'd be a problem. I mean, look at this, man. We gotta watch this. This isn't looking like a good sign. It's really looking like a big squall line with some potential damaging wind gusts up to 65 miles an hour. It's looking possible. It looks more likely now. And this squall line keeps continuing to go out to the east. And man, it just looks bad. And then we see the winds rev up for Wednesday and Thursday. And we could be looking at gusts up to 50 miles an hour. That could do some damage. But overall, huge storm for the next couple days, guys. Really take this seriously, guys. I am not joking. This is a really big storm. Really big. I wish I was joking, but unfortunately I can't. So, your outlook for the next couple of days. So for tomorrow, it's going to be rainy for the Mid-Atlantic. Wednesday, we got to watch out for some severe thunderstorms. And on Thursday, it's going to be damaging winds possible after that front comes through. And pray for those people out in the Central and Ohio valleys because we could be looking at a tornado outbreak out there. Really bad stuff, guys. We can look at the severe thunderstorms for a couple minutes that are starting to form. And trust me, they are not looking good. Oh, jeez. But, anyways. Yeah, they're not looking good. So we go all the way out to the central U.S. Look at these supercellular thunderstorms. Oh my goodness. Yeah, these are going to be producing tornadoes all night, guys. These are really big time thunderstorms. How many severe thunderstorm warnings are up now is crazy. Most of these are for 70 mile an hour wind gusts and ping pong ball sized hail for most of these severe thunderstorm warnings. Thank God there's no tornado warning. Actually, there is one. Just right now, outside of Jefferson City. Tornado and hail up to 2 inches in diameter. So this tornado will be spinning softballs right at your window. So anyone in Jefferson City, Lintown, and Westphalia, anyone in the direct path of this tornado, watch out Washington for near St. Louis. You really got to watch for this. Tornado warning storm might be coming for you guys. Potential tornadoes spinning softballs right into your windows. Really be careful, guys. This is our first tornado warning of the night, and I'm expecting several to numerous tornado warnings tonight. But man, this is really bad. Severe thunderstorm watch for all of North Texas. Dallas is about to get slammed. Tornado watch is up for northern Texas, Oklahoma, Missouri, St. Louis areas, Illinois, And we're going to be seeing that tornado watch expanding all the way to Ohio, Pennsylvania tomorrow. We're going to have to watch for Wednesday, maybe even a severe storm watch for the mid-Atlantic. We're going to have to see, guys, but I will have more tonight. We will be doing more detailed forecasts, but I'll see you guys later. But really stay safe out there, guys. Central and Ohio valleys. Really stay safe out there. But I hope you guys have a blessed Monday evening, and I'll see you guys in an hour or two.